This custom GPT is able to plan holidays seamlessly. In this video, we're going to be checking out the Expedia GPT. We'll be going over all the features it has to offer and seeing whether it is any good. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. To access the Expedia GPT, you'll need to click Explore GPTs on the sidebar. Once you're here, you need to search for Expedia or find it from the list. Now, the first thing I like to ask when using a new GPT is, what are the functionalities of this GPT? As you can see, it has come back and said that it is able to help with finding flights, hotels, rental cars, activities and tours. We'll be testing out all of these in this video. Starting off, I'm simply going to ask, I'm looking to plan a holiday to New York with my family of 4 from the 3rd of March to the 10th of March. We'll be travelling from Manchester Airport and want to arrive at JFK. Please can you find some suitable flights for me, preferably in the morning. Within seconds, it has provided a list of 3 flights, which are all in the afternoon and are all direct, which isn't really what we asked. If we take a look at one of the results, it has provided the airline at the top, then an image, then it has listed the departure time and airport, arrival time and airport, flight duration, whether it is a non-stop flight or not, and then the price for one person. Underneath it has provided a link, which if clicked will take you to Expedia's website, where you can book the flight. Next up, I'm going to ask, we would like to rent a car for the entire trip. Please can you list some options? It has now listed 3 potential car rental options for our trip. For each option, it has provided the car type, pickup location, pickup date and time, drop-off location, drop-off date and time, total price, then it has given a link to book on Expedia's website. Now we're going to test the GPT's ability to find suitable hotels for our trip. I'm simply going to type, now can you find a hotel for me? I would like to stay close to Times Square. Within seconds, it has provided 3 different hotels. For each one, it has provided the name, star rating, location, guest rating, features, total price, and a link to book. It has also provided a photo for each hotel. In conclusion, the Expedia GPT is a good tool if you are trying to plan a holiday. What would make it better is if it provided more options for hotels, cars and flights. Also for flights, it only provided one-way flights when I asked for return. We hope you found this video helpful in learning more about the Expedia GPT. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.